Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to insert a link in Google Slides. So if you want to do it, you need to go to the left upper corner, and after that you need to go to Insert Settings. Then we need to create here a new text box. So I select this one option to add it, and then I need to draw here a simple text box, maybe something like that. Then I type here, it is simple link. After that, I select the text which I want to link. So for example, I select this text, and I click on this one option. This option will let me to insert a new link. Alternatively, you can try to use shortcut from your keyboard Control key to do it. So I click on this option, and here you need to type the address of the link which you want to insert. So for example, I type here this one, link to google.com, and after that I click apply button. How you see this text has been successfully linked. So if someone wants to open it, he needs to click on this text, and then he will be able to open this website. So it is how it works. If I helped you to do it, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it's not a problem.